right, everyone, time to check out the Skylar floor plan. It wasn't quite ready, just kidding. All right, so it looks like we have lot 24 Skylar floor plan, and then we'll go look at lot 25 in just a minute. So you'll notice a lot of homes under construction, but I have a surprise for you in the back. Here we go. Skylar floor plan, lot 24. Hey, beautiful.
Hey, honey.
Remember, we highlight those chandeliers. So, honey, give me the lowdown on the Skylar plan.
So the Skylar plan is listed at $549.9. It is 4 beds, 3 baths, and just over 2,200 square feet.
Thanks. Now, these two rooms do share one of the bathrooms. And you'll still notice good trim work all throughout. Now, I said there was a surprise. And guess what that surprise is, honey?
What?
This home backs up to a golf course.
Look at that view.
And I'm about to show y'all a drone footage of that in just a minute. But let's re-highlight this house. Skylar floor plan sits at about 0.15 of an acre. Not a gas range compared to the Farmington Woods neighborhood. And remember, the cabinets are custom made.
Granite countertops. On the main floor, there are 3 beds, 2 full baths. On the second floor, you have another bedroom and 1 full bath.
Now remember what I said about these recessed ceilings? We don't have that, and we can hear our 20-year-old walking around in our brand new home. Anybody want to see what their tea time is? That's amazing. Because this backs up to a golf course, you won't have any issues with future selling points.
And just because it backs up to a golf course doesn't mean that you're going to have ridiculous HOA fees. The annual HOA fee in Tompkins Farms is $600 annually.
That's barely $55 a month.
Very affordable.
Walk-in closets. All right, let's see the Skylar floor plans upstairs. And stay tuned till the end. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel for all different neighborhoods, different builders.
And price points.
And price points. Let's reaffirm this price point, hon.
$549.9.
$999.
And $242 a square foot. Brand new construction.
It's a really good deal.
Yes. And no state taxes in Tennessee.
Income
No
tax.
state income tax.
And we have a lot more footage coming as this neighborhood continues to pop up, and we'll tell you all the different floor plans. Side garage, front garage, separate garage, or one big garage. And you'll notice pre-wired for surround sound.
Another gorgeous ceiling fan.
Not just one, honey, but how many?
Oh, there's 2.
With remote control access. Because we don't like to get up as much as we used to. Just kidding, just kidding. Huge closets throughout.
Huge.
Well, honey, we just checked out the Skylar floor plan, and I told the folks we're going to lot 25. What floor plan is that one?
Lot 25 is going to be the Sycamore floor plan.
Let's go check it out.